Car accidents are one of the most frequent types of personal injuries in North Carolina. They can be potentially life-threatening, and without proper legal care, can turn into a larger mess than they started out with. Car accidents are bigger than just insurance and medical bills, but car repair payments can rise heavily as a result depending on damages. However, Harmon Law is here to get rid of the burden that may have to be dealt with. It is unfair that people have to deal with the legal matters of car accidents alone. That is where Harmon Law comes in. We handle everything for you from start to finish. You can call us at our Huntersville office at 704-766-8729. The initial consultation is free, and you are welcome to ask any questions and voice any concerns that you may have when it comes to your case. We have heard any and all questions before, and we promise that there is nothing that we cannot answer. With that being said, you have to get up and reach out to us, otherwise we cannot help you. One call is all you will need. Car accident cases are not a problem for us, and we will determine if you have a case or not because it is our goal to get you what you deserve. Our Huntersville location is located at 8712 Lindholm Drive, number 300. We encourage you to meet with us in person in order to discuss your issues, because that way we can work together to help you. It is our pleasure to be helping you through this time of struggle because it is not your fault. Circumstances vary, and a person can become bogged down in legal paperwork. That is why we handle the workload so that you don't have to.